We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Mfowethu, Sikhalo. Sanos 2, Marumo Gallants 0. Bona kanjani mjani?
Yaphila njani time?
Hayi number 1 mfowethu.
Asicale ngokubonga iFezile Security for bringing us this opportunity ukuthi ukhona ukuthi ube nami la.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Thank you to that. Going back to the game, time out. To be honest with you, I'm disappointed. Marumo Gallants hasn't really performed.
Yes.
Omunye wabo Marumo Gallants no.
Yeah.
And they didn't really perform anything.
Yes.
Marumo Gallants, they haven't performed today.
Yeah.
So now, if you check Sundowns, remember that they're reigning defending champions of Champions League.
Yes.
So if they come against a team which is struggling in the Betway Premiership, and then they come and manage to score 2 goals. Like me, to be honest with you, as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, I was afraid that because of set list. They are at home, they've got quality.
Yeah.
But with them, with their quality, there was no fringe player. Some test a lot. They put their best trusted 11. No, it's one for experience, and he came as a substitute.
Yeah.
For experience, and he really did well. Experience, you saw, but his touches were decisive.
Yeah.
Like he really made a change. If you have to be honest, the last 15 minutes of the game was really important.
Yes.
But their caliber and the caliber of Marumo, for them to have performed like that, I'm still telling you, Tama, this season is going to be difficult.
It will be an interesting season.
Ukato songisasho mina iplamba.
Yeah.
Ukato songisasho.
Amaphayiphi amanzi la.
Hayi amthola uhlanganisa ugesi namanzi lapha amaphepha ayahlangana lapha.
Ajoke ngoba
iplamba le. Mawuthi ahlala hayi akushaya. So mina ngiyakutshela.
Yeah.
Uyiphine le video isave time.
Azoyisave.
Ukadoso. Mase thina ezikeza Chiefs othatha ileague.
Yeah.
Uzoba ngasekho eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Ngiyakutshela.
Okungithanda kakhulu okusho ukuthi ikhosi lizoyithatha le league.
Kanti angithembi wena time.
Hayi nje ngithembi mina ngiyalalela.
Yathi ngiyakutshela. Awakubhathisa uSandawana. Uzoba naye angesekho.
Yeah.
Ukade usadle phansi.
Yeah.
Mina sengu champion.
Yebo.
Ngicela ukuyiceda lapha.
Hayi, ngiyakuzwa mfowethu.
Ngiyabonga time.
Ngiyabonga. Ngiyithanda.